Hello everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial dedicated to the hidden emoji game on Instagram, Emoji Pong. Have you ever heard of this fun game hidden behind tiny emojis on this social network? Emoji Pong is a simple yet addictive game that will add extra fun to your DM conversations on Instagram. In this guide, we will explore together how to find this hidden game, how to launch it, and play it. So if you're ready, let's get started. So, at the very beginning, you need to open the Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't have it, update it. Once you're done with that, open the Instagram app. Then, go to Private Messages by clicking on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, open the conversation with the person you want to send the game to. Then, tap on the typing field, and after that, tap on the emoji option. Now, select the emoji you want to send, and then tap on Send. When your friend receives the message, they need to tap on the send emoji. This will automatically start the mini-game. Emojis will start falling from the top of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, there is a board that you can move left and right. You move it by swiping your finger across the screen. The goal is to bounce the emoji back towards the top of the screen with the board. Each time the emoji bounces, it returns back towards the top of the screen, and you have to bounce it again. The game ends when you fail to bounce the emoji, and it falls off the screen. Then you can see your score and try again. That's all there is to this fun emoji game. If you found this video entertaining and helpful, don't forget to like it, of course, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.